Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie here. Wish you all a very happy Diwali and prosperous new year. I hope you guys enjoyed your Diwali and tried to take all the precaution amid this corona pandemic. So this is a very special day for me. I mean, this is my first Diwali after marriage and I guess there's a little more excitement because of that. And also I broke on my Insta stories this big news about I and Palash buying a new house. So yes, we bought a new house and I broke this news on my Insta stories. We did a small puja on the auspicious occasion of Dhanteras and we marked Diwali as like our first festival in that house. Although there's some last bit of finishing work that has to be done before the builder gives us the possession, and then the interior work will start. So probably after 3-4 months we will shift into that house, because a lot of people were asking me on my Insta stories if we've already moved to the new house. But I mean, honestly, I'm so excited to take you guys through the entire journey and share behind the scenes of how we convert that house and make it into our home. So I guess because I really want to keep my YouTube videos in real time, so I guess there'll be a lot of videos coming up about how we are going to do the entire house and like each home. I'm so excited to take you guys through that journey. But let's talk about today's video. So today is Diwali and I'm so excited to get dressed for the evening. I thought of showing you guys my Diwali outfit because it's really so special. I wanted to wear a sari for Diwali and I wanted to wear something traditional, so I picked up a bandhani sari which I bought during my wedding shopping. So when we were shopping for my wedding, I was accompanied by my mom and my mausi because they both helped throughout the wedding shopping. They obviously were very particular about a few traditional pieces that I should definitely carry in my wedding trousseau. And my mom was like, she wanted to buy me a bandhani sari. She said that almost every married lady has one traditional bandhani sari, and when we were in that shop buying, looking for bandhani saris, I was very particular that I don't want to go for like those chatak colors or too loud colors, because I've seen so many other women in my community as well, wearing like these reds and yellows. I mean, obviously they look so traditional and so appropriate for these religious and festive purposes, but I wanted to go for some other color, something that will not make me be a part of the crowd. I wanted to stand out, and I guess if you are following my journey, you know that how much I am inclined towards pastel colors. So shopkeeper showed us this one sari which like instantly grabbed all of my attention, but I was still dicey. But my mausi, who by the way is mom of a designer, like her son is a designer, and obviously she's like so much updated with what label the actresses are wearing. She immediately googled and she showed me this one sari of Alia Bhatt. She was wearing a Tarun Telyani, and the sari which the shopkeeper had showed was exactly like, I mean 95% similar to what Alia Bhatt was wearing. I will attach a picture over here so you guys get an idea. So I mean, I did not give it a second thought and I was like, I am buying this sari, I'm purchasing this. And it was such a beautiful sari. Like, it is lightweight but it looks very rich and very heavy, so I was like, it will be girly and it will be so appropriate for someone like my age to obviously wear it, not just for religious purposes but even for festive purposes. And since, as I said, it was my first Diwali after marriage, I wanted to wear something which will be like festive appropriate, and also I mean I wanted to go a little extra. So initially I thought that I will recreate this look of Alia Bhatt, and I had also bought a mang tika, like similar mang tika for that purpose. But जब मैंने ये साड़ी लाइक इसका ब्लाउज़ स्टिच करवाया था तो मुझे ये था कि मैं रिलीजियस पर्पसेस के लिए पहनूंगी, इसलिए मैंने एल्बो लेंथ का ब्लाउज सिलवा लिया था. एंड आलिया भट्ट इज़ वेयरिंग दिस कट स्लीव ब्लाउज. ये मेरे पास में तो नहीं था, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि ये सेम लुक रिक्रिएट करना तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. बट देन आई गूगल्ड लाइक सम मोर लाइक सेलिब्रिटीज़ हु आर वेयरिंग बांधनी साड़ी, एंड देन आई केम अक्रॉस दीज टू सेलिब्रिटीज़, जानवी कपूर एंड सारा अली खान. सो जानवी कपूर वॉज वेयरिंग दिस मनीष मल्होत्रा साड़ी. I guess she wore it for one of the functions of Isha Ambani's wedding, and Sara Ali Khan, I guess she wore a bandej sari at one of the Diwali parties in Bollywood. So I was like, why not actually combine all of these celebrities' styles and create a style of my own? So what I did was, I obviously because the sari was Alia Bhatt inspired, so I thought that I'll take the sari inspiration from Alia Bhatt, I'll take the blouse inspiration from Sara Ali Khan, which typically wasn't the case because मैंने already elbow length का blouse stitch करवा रखा था पहले से. But I thought that since Sara Ali Khan was also wearing these bangles, these stack of bangles, it was like yellow golden in color. So मैंने colorful bangles का एक combination बनाया because मेरी जो साड़ी है उस पे obviously there were like tones of red, pink and mint green and gold, and I was like wow, I think a colorful combination of bangles would look so nice. And then as I said, मुझे थोड़ा सा I wanted to like go a little overboard with the jewelry, and like still try to balance out my entire look. So taking inspiration from Janhvi Kapoor's look, I thought of wearing a choker set. So I had this very beautiful kundan choker set with these green pearl drops, and I was like wow, this will be a perfect pick because my sari had like mint green tones. So I thought that this green kundan choker would be like perfect. It will like bring that kind of contrast, not really contrast because it was like in the same family of colors, but still like just add that pop of color. And I also wore these kundan earrings, and that's how my Diwali look was created. I kept my hair plain and simple. I kept them just as they are naturally. So I kept them open, like I did a mid parting. I pinned them from one side, and from the other side I just kept it flowing and normal, like very natural and plain, straight, simple. I kept my makeup also very simple and very natural. I did it in certain pink tones, so like a pink eyeshadow and pink cheek tint and very light nude pink lipstick. I can't do without kajal, and obviously I need to define my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil. So yeah, it was very plain, simple, not too extensive. And that's about it from my side in this video. I hope you guys had a lot of fun this Diwali. See you in the next video. Take care, lots of love, and please subscribe to my channel. Also please follow me on Instagram. This is my ID, and yeah, I have been uploading a lot of reels on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. Please subscribe to my channel as I said, and comment down below how did you find this combination look which I created by taking style inspiration from Alia Bhatt, Janhvi Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, lots of love, bye.